to another episode of Foodie in Your 30s. I'm Jaden, and today I'm going to be making another hybrid cake. Pumpkin cake and cheesecake together. But before that, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're already part of the Foodie in Your 30s family, let's take a look at the ingredients that we're going to need for this pumpkin cake cheesecake. Let's get started with our cream cheese mixture. In a bowl, I'm gonna add in my cream cheese, sour cream, an egg, some sugar, and a little bit of vanilla. We're gonna go ahead and mix that through, and that's pretty much it for the cheesecake batter. Once that's all mixed, I'm gonna go ahead and set it aside, and now it's time for my pumpkin cake batter. I'm gonna add in my sugar and coconut sugar, add in some oil, and a little bit of molasses. Now, the molasses give it an amazing taste. I definitely recommend you use molasses. To that, we're gonna add in our 2 eggs, and we're gonna mix that so it's all well incorporated. Then we're gonna add in our pumpkin puree. Along with the pumpkin puree, I'm gonna be adding in some nutmeg and some cinnamon. I double up on the cinnamon because I love the way the cinnamon makes all the flavors just pop. Now for our dry ingredients. To the flour, I'm gonna be adding in some baking soda, some baking powder, and a little bit of salt. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the wet ingredients and just mix it well enough so everything is well incorporated, and remember not to overmix. Then in our prepared baking dish, I'm gonna be adding a layer of the pumpkin cake batter, and on top of that, I'm gonna add a layer of the cheesecake mixture. Go ahead and smooth that out, and then add in the last of my pumpkin cake batter and top it off with the rest of the cheesecake filling, and then just swirl it around. And we're gonna go ahead and place it in our preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. And there you have it. In a few minutes, you're gonna be having the most amazing pumpkin cake cheesecake. So here it is, my pumpkin cake cheesecake. Let's give it a try. It's so soft and it smells amazing. You have the different layers of the cheesecake and the pumpkin. Here we go. Wow. You definitely need to try this. It's soft and gooey. And the cheesecake, you can definitely taste both flavors, the pumpkin cake and the cheesecake. But together, it's magical. Well, that's all for today's episode. I hope you enjoy this pumpkin cake cheesecake, and let me know down below in the comments section if you try this, what did you think of the recipe? And don't forget to like and subscribe to Foodie in Your 30s for more videos every week. Until next time.